Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a quick and handy guide for all iPhone users out there. We're going to show you how to turn off contact sharing on your iPhone. Whether you're concerned about privacy or just want to manage your contacts more closely, this video is for you. So let's dive right in. First things first, grab your iPhone and unlock it. We'll be navigating through a few settings to ensure your contacts stay private. Open your Settings app. This is where all the magic happens. Scroll down a bit until you see General. Tap on it. Look for an option called AirDrop and tap on it. Find an option, Start Sharing by bringing devices together, and just toggle this off. Host on screen. And that's it. Just a few simple steps, and you've successfully turned off personal information sharing on your iPhone. Remember, taking control of your digital privacy is important, and managing who has access to your contacts is a big part of that. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks, and share this video with friends who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.